Greetings everyone! So here is how you can create this simple form. So we found a page on a Facebook group called HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And saw this code here. Here is the HTML, CSS code. And here is JavaScript. And this is how the design looks like. So let's try it. For that, log into your dashboard. We are in. Let's create a page. Add page. Give any title to the page. Here are all the details of the code. But we have separated it. This is the HTML. Here is the CSS for customization. And here is the JavaScript, which we will use on theme functions. So let's first copy this HTML. And on our page, add a custom HTML. And paste it. And publish the page. Let me view this page. The design looks a little messed up. Please note the design might differ as per the theme used too. I am testing it on the default WordPress theme. Now let's add some CSS. Go to Customize. Additional CSS. Let's copy the CSS. And paste it here. So the form looks like this. The coloring is a little different. The background has also changed. If you don't want to change the background, you can simply remove this. So here is the form. You can use the CSS to further customize it. Let's publish this. So here is the form, and it looks all nice. Now let's add the JavaScript. We will use this on functions.php. Let me copy this. Go back to the dashboard. Go to Appearance, and Theme File Editor. Click on Theme Functions. Scroll down. And paste the code here. Update file. So the file has been updated. Now let's refresh this. So this is the form. You can connect with the API, and it will work great. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.